The Global Alliance for Tax Justice established the Tax and Gender Working Group in 2016 to be a space for members of the Global Alliance and committed partners and allies to engage directly in campaigns and policy work on tax and gender. The working group also aims to strengthen the global integration of tax and gender justice movements and has really been a space to broaden our work with others, with women's rights organizations, global trade unions, academics, NGOs, and other civil society organizations. Now, the urgency for the gender dimensions to be an agenda on the table where finance and economic decisions are being made has become even more important during the pandemic. Firstly, because of the continued structural and systemic exclusion of women's voices and feminist analysis in the international financial architecture debate, because tax by framing in itself is really technical and too complex for women activists to be part of it. Secondly, the inability by governments, especially in the global south, to provide adequate public services and social protection due to lack of sufficient tax revenue as a result of weak domestic resource mobilization measures. The situation means that women proportionately bear the brunt of this lack of public service provision, filling the gap with millions of hours of unpaid care work. And thirdly, that women's rights organizations are not able to sufficiently advocate for change and communicate around the issue of resourcing through tax justice for women's rights due to lack of voice, power, and capacity.